Yes, so today we will create a data frame and we will sort the marks, sort the students according to their marks. So this we are going to do. So first line, what you were telling, which is the first line?
Import pandas as PD.
Import pandas as PD.
As
Next,
PD.
second line.
Import pandas and speed.
Second line.
Import CSV.
Import CSV. CSV let us do afterwards. Only sorting, creating and sorting let us do today. At the end we
Import
will do
numpy as
CSV.
NP.
Import numpy. I don't want to use numpy today. Using a list or using a dictionary you create it.
Okay, ma'am.
So let us create using a list. Yeah, numpy and those things we will do afterwards. So let us create using list. So first will be, you want to make a list. You want to create a data frame. So list how to create roll number, name and marks. Clear? So let us take from user. Yes, how you take list from user?
Ma'am, int, then in bracket input.
List. Not one value. I want
Ma'am, input enter list.
eval. Very good. Eval
Ma'am, eval input enter list.
input. Enter the
Enter a list.
enter a list or 5 roll
List.
numbers. I am taking here 5 roll numbers. So I have taken here 5 roll numbers from the user, and then I want to take the name. So how you will take the name? Same list I am taking. So same way, name equals to eval input. Enter the name of 5 roll numbers. I am taking the name
Ma'am,
from the
student.
user. 5 students, yes. 5 names of students. So here names I have taken, and then marks I am taking. So same thing I am writing here. Enter the marks. Enter the 5 students marks. So we have taken from the user. What will be our next step? To create a dictionary. So how you will create a
DF
dictionary?
equals
D equals to?
Equals to
equals to
caliber.
PD.
Equals to
Roll
roll
number,
number.
Roll number.
This is our
And
key.
in column,
comma name.
Then we are
column
giving
roll.
roll here.
Name of the
Yes. Roll is our dictionary, comma. Then next,
name.
Puts
name.
name,
Then
Column name.
colon
name is
name. Yes, variable
colon
name.
name.
So the above variable you have written here. Next step will be, yes,
Marks.
name will be
Comma,
marks. So let us give the column
marks,
name heading marks, and then
In column
colon
marks.
marks. Yes, very
The
good.
variable.
colon
Yes, variable. Now this we have closed it. Now create a data frame.
Then S is equal to
Df equals to pt.
DF equals to
DF.
PT dot data frame bracket
Yes.
में D.
Yes, very good. ब्रैकेट में D. ठीक है, डिक्शनरी आ गया. Now the next step will be, you can print the data frame. So we are printing the data frame. Now this is still here. You are simply printing without sorting. Now we will start the sort command. So this, let us show the output with only 3 because it will take a lot of time. And then while sorting, I will put 5 data. So this I am running the program. Run module. We have to save it. So let us give here sort ascending, yeah, sort marks. Any name you can give here. I am sorting the students according to their marks. So today we will display the topper of the class and all those data we will display. So let us save it. And now it is asking here, enter the 3 roll numbers. Suppose 1, 2 and 3 roll numbers. Enter the name of marks. Suppose your name only I am giving here. Rahul Saumyadeep. Now names should be in quotes. It is a string, so it should be in quotes. Next is Saumyadeep. It should be in quotes. You will close the bracket. It is a list, so square bracket. Now marks, simply mark. Suppose 99, then 98, then in computer IP all are getting 100 out of 100, so you have to get 100 marks. So this is over. Now when you will run it, you see it has created a tabular form. So this is the function of data frame. It creates these data whichever you are asking the user to enter. It has made here, you can see a tabular form. Yesterday you have used CSV and you were storing the tables in Excel sheet. Permanently the data can be stored in Excel sheet, all the marks. Now we will sort it. We will find the topper of the class and all those data we will do it. So for that we will start with the next part, that is sorting. So I am writing here a comment for sorting the data. Yes, now sorting. Now sorting, how you are going to do. Two types of sorting we are knowing. One is value by value. मतलब कॉलम के डेटास को छोटे से बड़ा, बड़े से छोटा. Ascending means from a smaller number to a bigger number, and descending means just decreasing order, that is from a bigger number to a smaller number. Now by value we will sort first, then the programming is given here. You don't only, you have to remember the function df.sort values, then the column name you have to mention. By default it is ascending, and if you write ascending equals to false, it will be descending. So only this much you have to remember. खाली sort underscore values तुमको याद रखना है, ठीक है? चलो हम लोग कोडिंग कर रहे थे, कोडिंग करते हैं. Now you will open here. Your program was sort marks. So sorting we are doing in ascending order, we are doing sorting in ascending order. So here for ascending order, what you have to write directly, you can write here print, and then name of the data frame is df dot sort underscore values, then in bracket the column name marks. Clear? So only this much you have to remember. That is data frame, जो भी टेबल तुमने बनाया है उसका नाम data frame. Function is sort values. अब function किस column के हिसाब से sort होगा? Marks के हिसाब से. So on the basis of marks it will sort. So this is over. Now you can see I will write here one print command so that it shows the output. Here print command, sorting in ascending or ascending order. In ascending order I am writing. In ascending order. So this is in ascending order. Now here you can see when we will print it. Now here the problem is, again it will ask you to enter the roll number and marks. Again suppose 3 roll numbers here you have to enter. So I am just copying and pasting it from here. 3 roll numbers it has asked, then the 3 names it has asked. First you do here enter, after enter you copy. I am copying from above. When you will store in CSV file, that project also we will open and see once. There permanently data are stored. There again and again it will not ask. Here it is asking you again and again, but there it will not ask. Yes. Now when you